Hello and welcome to this presentation. My name is Dave Renninger. I'm the Application Specialist for the Engineering segment at Tekla Inc. This video is the seventh video in our series showcasing Tekla structures for the engineering market. In our last video, we showed how we can model in secondary steel framing such as grating, stairs, and railings. Now in this video, we're going to show some of the nice tools we have out of the box to make it easier for platework modeling such as bins and hoppers. So to start, before I start actually modeling in the parts, I want to add a work point in my model to make it easier for me to locate where the center of my hopper needs to be. So a simple tool we have here is just one that's called add points on the line, where simply enough here I'm just going to pick 2 points here in the model. And now you'll see here it's going to add a work point right in between those 2 points that I pick. Give me a location. Alright, now that I have my work point located, now I can come in here to my component catalog, and as you notice here we have a nice plate work category already included. It has some of our plate work tools. So we're going to start here with this bin no stiffeners component, and if I double click on this is where I can come in and load some of my attributes that I already have. So here if I load my hopper low setting, this is where I have some basic overall dimensions here as far as the height of my hopper and the overall dimensions as well. So with these properties applied, now I can just come into the model here and track up from that work point that I just located. So I'll track up 5 feet in my Z direction. Now I have my first hopper in the model. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing here to locate my high hopper here. I'm going to have to add another work point at the top of this one. So again, I'm repeat that same workflow. Pick 2 points at the top here, get another work point, and then again I'll come in here and load my high hopper attribute, apply those properties, and just come in here and reapply. Now you can see how nice that these hoppers just align. Alright, so I'm going to go through and add some detail work to this, but to make this easier, what I'm going to do is actually hide the rest of this model so that these are the only objects that I see. So after selecting these, I can simply right click and now I have the option, so the opposite of hiding, I can hide everything else except for these. So now I'm going to come through and add some stiffeners around the outside of these hoppers. So we have different options here depending on which stiffener type you have. If you want W shapes, WTs, angles, or channels, again, all customizable for whatever your designs might require. And with this components, then all I have to do is just go around and just pick the plates on the side. And easy enough, it's going to fill this in based off the properties inside the components. Another tool that we might want to do then is add some bent plates on the inside. I'll just show you how easy these can be as well. So I'm just going to come through here and change some of my view representation. If I double click on this component, which is nice, it actually tells me and shows me the picking order of which plates I have to pick first and then the picking order of the components itself. So just following what it showed in a dialog box, just pick 2 plates, pick the bottom and the top. There it's going to go through now and add a bend plate on the inside. Right. So I could go through and repeat this as needed. Now you can see how it is here with the rest of the model. Well, this concludes this video. The next video in our series is going to get into some more detail with some of the connections that we have included with Tekla structures. So thank you again for watching.